Okay, if you're signing into Google, you go over here to these three little dots, more tools and extensions, and then you just go to open up Chrome Web Store. And in here, I'm going to type in Google Meet Attendance. And here we are. That's one we're after. To Google Meet Attendance. Over here in Add to Chrome, I select this. I add the extension. Then, when I go and I get inside a Google Meet, all I need to do is what I'm going to show you now. Over here, I have downloaded this Google Meets Attendance extension. If I two-finger tap on my trackpad and I click Save Attendance, down here I get an attendance spreadsheet of everyone who's here today. Okay, so here we are. As you've seen, I've downloaded it already. I can just double tap down here. I will likely find this in my downloads. I'll go check, and it looks like this. I can see who has attended and the date and time. Wonderful. Okay, so as you see, I'm in my Finder, I'm in my downloads, and there you can also find all of the attendance that you've downloaded. Good luck.